If you think back to learning about Falling Water by Frank Lloyd Wright, his philosophy was to build the house around nature and include nature as part of the house. With Tinkercad, there is no nature to start with. You could build your own nature using some of the basic shapes given to you. I could take a shape like this and use it to build hills. So you can make your own nature. There's also places to search in here. Structures and scenery has some mountains and trees you could use to help build nature. You can also just get nature from things that I made this year. So if you go back to your Tinkercad homepage, highlight classes, you should see your class here. There'll just be one for you there. When you open it up, yours will go right to here. This is called Nature Build. If you open it up, you see here I have two things I built in nature for you and a stone wall. You can open these, copy it, and take it to your design and paste it in. So here's a rocky landscape near water. Copy. Go back to my designs. And I should be able to plop it right in. It might take a little bit of time if you're all trying to access the same activity at the same time. Sometimes the server gets a little overwhelmed. Also, when you bring nature in, I like to lock it in place right over here, this little lock button. So I can't disturb it right now. I can take my house that I've been building, find a spot to place it. Been easier if I had been building on top of this from the beginning.